Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly. I just wanted to start a quick recording at Dollar General because look, I see all these couponers here but they totally missed these. So I'm taking them all. Taking them all for the overage. I am going to do a different deal because there's no more pumps except for one pump. I'm just going to leave that there. I'm going to pick up some tone. I wanted to pick up 8 of them, but there's only 6. So I'm going to match that up with a $3 body wash there. And then, because I will only be at $6 for each of them, like, 3 and 3. Okay, so that's only giving me 6. I'm also going to add in these $2 dials. Yeah, I'll show you in a cart. Look, everyone, who did I run into? Crusty Feet. Sade with the receipts. Yeah, she has a story to tell you.
So she wasn't paying attention, and look at her cart, y'all. So while she had her back turned, I went to digging in her cart, and then she turned around. She was like, "Get out of my cart." She didn't even know it was me at first. It was so funny. I should have snatched everything and ran.
But as usual, I'm nice. I had a bunch of those, and I gave it to her.
She didn't offer them to me. I had to take them, and she was like, "Oh yeah, you can have the
where
dial."
are they?
The tone right there.
No, the bottle.
Which ones? Oh, under there.
See? See how nice I am? She
No,
do
she's
nothing.
greedy.
All right, everyone. Since I had to redo my deal because of Sade with the receipts taking all my stuff, this is what I'm gonna do. All right. These are $2 a piece. Okay. And then we have. Well, let's start with the doll. Okay. So we have the doll here. These are $4 a piece. And I'm throwing in the tone because that's what I really want is the tone. So these are $3 a piece. So right there we have a total just with this doll and this tone, $7. We know we need to get to $8 for the instant savings to come off. So I am throwing in these two to fulfill those the missing amount for the instant savings. So if you think about it, this right here with 4 bottles will bring me to $16 because this is 14, 15, 16. So that means 2 instant savings will come off. That's $4 each for that. So that's why I have, let me put it over here, for just the 2 bottles to give me an extra $4 to cover all of these bottles. And then, of course, I'm throwing in the Purex because I want it. That's a pretty good coupon. And then we have our overage from our Nivea, which is $1.24. We have the $2 digital coupon, giving us 76 cents of overage. So right here, the whole amount is going to bring me about $28 and some change, right there. And after all coupons, it should bring me down to $3.25 for all these items, okay? And what I'm going to do is just how it's set up. I'm going to scan this, then the tone, give them the coupon, so that the coupon will take off the $4 instead of the $3. And that's what I'm going to do 4 times. And then punch in my numbers for the digital. I'm going to throw this at the end. That's why I initially have it over here. So just in case nothing comes off of that, but we're going to do the big dial, then the tone, the dial, the tone, the dial, the tone, the dial, the tone, then these at the end. And hopefully everything works out. And like I said, subtotal of $3.25. All right, everyone, my next transaction will be on the Tide so that I can get that P&G coupon, the $5.01 printed off at the end of the receipt. All right, we have a total of 7 Tides. These are all $4.95 a piece. So I got 5 bottles and 2 flings. I'm just trying to build back up my stockpile. So when all coupons come off, including the 5 off 25, I will be at $15.65. Then with the 501 taken off, it's like you're spending, let's say, $10.65, making each item $1.52. All right, let's see what happens at the register. All right, everyone, everything worked out with the exception of the cashier accidentally charged me for an extra bottle, so I did get that returned. I will show you my return slip, but it would have been $15.60, and we also got back that, making it $10.60 for the 7 items of Tide or P&G items. And then here is my return slip, so you can see I got back $5.27. So actually it would have been a little bit cheaper. Yeah, $15.30 something cents. Anyways, so that came out perfect. And then let me get my other slip for my tone to let you know that that came out perfect. There's a lot of confusion, and Sade did not help with all the confusion that was going on. But let's see. All right, and so here's the next receipt with the doll. As you can see, the coupons came off accordingly, and $3.24. All right, so right here, just with the Tides alone, you're going to be at $14 and I think it's 70 cents. Yeah, or 75 cents. That's what it is. $14.75. So you need an extra quarter. So I figured to throw this in, get 25 cents off. We will be at $15.50 with the 5 bottles and the Dawn, and that paper $5.01 should print at the bottom. Okay, I know you're seeing all this doll. I have some coupons to burn. I have a total of 18. They actually just came in from iClipUsave.com. So I already know Saturday is going to be hectic. I don't know if I'll be out early enough. So for right now, I'm burning at least half of it, and then hopefully I find more. And also I'm going to probably try to do the Walgreens beauty event, but I'll use those coupons there too. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But if you don't already know the deal, these body washes, and I've been looking for this. All I got is a bunch of mails in my last transactions last week. But you buy the Dial body wash. This is $6.50. And oh, I didn't do this deal last week. I did it with the Tone, but that's with the 5 off 25, and only paid $1.04 for 8 items, which was this and a Tone. But what everybody else has been doing has been this. So this is $6.50. This is $1.50. I don't know if the other shape bottles work, the ones that are real clear like that, but this bottle, which is 3 fluid ounces, is what everyone's using on IG. So in total, this is $8. So you get $2 taken off, making it $6. When you scan this bottle first, then this one, and then the buy one get one free coupon, $5.99 will come off, making it a penny that you paid for the one. I mean, for the both of them. So I'm just going to do that. And this store has a bunch of these. Oh wait, what that on my nail?